Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing earplugs that match your needs. Foam for single-night use, silicone or wax for repeated use. Check the NRR. Once chosen, wash your hands and clear visible earwax so plugs seat properly. Now roll foam tightly between fingers until it's a thin cylinder. Gently reach over your head with the opposite hand to pull your ear up and back. Insert 0.5 to 1 cm and hold 20 to 30 seconds while it expands. This step seals the canal and blocks noise. Once the plug expands, you check the fit by speaking aloud. The room's noise should reduce and your voice will sound muffled. If it still sounds loud, adjust. Make small, deliberate repositioning moves. Remove, re-roll, and reinsert foam. For silicone or wax, warm slightly and press to mold, but avoid pushing too deep. If you feel pressure or pain, pull back and try again. Comfort matters. Also, for reusable types, trim only when the manufacturer says it's safe, because improper trimming ruins the seal. For overnight use, position yourself so the ear with the plug isn't compressed excessively. Slight elevation on that side helps maintain the seal. Make sure to replace disposable plugs after one night and clean reusable plugs with mild soap or alcohol as the manufacturer advises to prevent infection. If you awaken with ringing, sharp pain, or notable hearing loss, remove the plug immediately and avoid reusing it. These signs warrant professional assessment. Remember, if plugging problems persist, try a different shape or consult an audiologist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.